Hi guys, I am Tayyib. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, I'm gonna continue my previous video that was about mobile application design. I designed the first two screens in the last video. If you have not watched that video, the link is here. Go and check it out. It's highly recommended. So the third screen of our design is sign up screen. As you guys know, sign up screen is used when a user is new to an application or website. So this screen will contain a username box, an email box, then password and confirm password boxes, and after that I will add two more buttons. So let's just finish it. Confirmation screen will be simple and very easy to design. It will be having a logo like every other screen, a paragraph and a button. Verified screen is also very simple. I will simply copy the background and logo, then I will add a little text and a sign that will represent verification. I hope you guys have learned something from this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Instagram, and if anyone needs source file, he can contact me through my email address. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.